You know that moment when your phone dies during a road trip and you realize you have no idea where you are? Or when you're trying to back up your car and can't see your toddler in the backseat through the rearview mirror? These aren't hypothetical scenarios. They happen to millions of drivers every single day. The difference between a stressful situation and a minor inconvenience often comes down to having the right tools in your car. Today, I'm showing you 9 game-changing gadgets that solve real problems you didn't even know you had solutions for. Wireless CarPlay magic with CarGenie. Let's start with the gadget that ends the daily cable wrestling match. CarGenie transforms any wired CarPlay or Android Auto system into a completely wireless setup, and it's about to change how you interact with your car forever. Every morning, you climb into your car and immediately start the same routine. Find your charging cable, plug in your phone, wait for it to connect, then finally start driving. CarGenie eliminates this entire process with one simple plug-and-forget installation. This compact adapter converts your car's display into a smart Android 11 system with full access to YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, Google Maps, and thousands of other apps. No expensive head unit replacements, no complicated installations, and definitely no more searching for that cable that somehow disappeared overnight. The device automatically pairs with your phone via Bluetooth and activates every time you start your car. CarGenie includes a TF card slot, supporting up to 128 GB of storage, a built-in GPS antenna for precise navigation, and support for both online and offline maps. Whether you're streaming music, following GPS directions, or letting passengers watch videos during long trips, this device handles everything seamlessly. At $89, CarGenie delivers the wireless convenience that luxury cars charge thousands extra for. Your daily commute just became infinitely more convenient. Dashcam Omni 360-degree protection. Security concerns aren't paranoia when break-ins and accidents happen every day. The Dashcam Omni provides complete 360-degree coverage that captures everything happening around your vehicle with professional-grade clarity. This isn't just another dashboard camera. The Omni features stepper motors and a 140-degree camera with minimal distortion that constantly monitors everything around your vehicle with smooth, precise movement. The advanced AI-powered parking surveillance system detects people approaching your car, tracking and recording their movements in real time. When accidents happen, Omni activates an algorithm that automatically records from the direction of impact, capturing crucial evidence for up to 30 seconds afterward. This footage can save you thousands in insurance disputes and legal complications. The camera's f/1.5 aperture and PureCell Plus HDR technology deliver crystal clear images even in low light or high contrast conditions. Recording at 60 frames per second ensures sharp details during motion, while the built-in GPS tracks your route and vehicle location. The ADAS system alerts you to potential risks involving vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists before they become problems. With the 4G hardwire kit, you can operate the camera remotely and receive instant alerts for suspicious events even when you're nowhere near your car. At $89, the Dashcam Omni provides professional-level security that pays for itself the first time you need that crucial footage. Full easy-fold bike rack engineering excellence. Weekend adventures shouldn't require engineering degrees to transport your bikes safely. The full EasyFold XT2 represents Scandinavian design perfection that makes bike transportation feel effortless rather than exhausting. This tow bar-mounted system handles heavy electric bikes, mountain bikes, fat bikes, and custom frames without the back-breaking struggle typical of other rack systems. The optional loading ramp means you'll never strain yourself wrestling with 40-pound e-bikes again. The genius lies in practical details. You can open your trunk with bikes still mounted, eliminating the constant mounting and unmounting cycle. The detachable arms feature AccuTight knobs that click when properly secured, giving you confidence that expensive bikes won't become highway hazards. Wheel straps accommodate tires up to nearly 12 centimeters wide, while the pedal-operated tilt system provides trunk access without removing anything. When not in use, the entire rack folds down and stores in your trunk, ready for spontaneous weekend escapes. The engineering excellence ensures your bikes arrive safely, while the convenience features make transportation enjoyable rather than stressful. For serious cyclists, this investment pays dividends in time saved and peace of mind gained. X-Bull Recovery Track's Emergency Lifeline. Getting stuck isn't a matter of if, it's when. X-Bull Generation 3.0 recovery tracks transform potentially expensive towing situations into minor inconveniences you handle yourself. These UV-protected, reinforced nylon tracks feature a 10-ton load capacity designed to extract vehicles from mud, sand, snow, or ice. The anti-slip cleat design provides the traction your wheels need to regain forward momentum in situations where spinning tires only dig deeper holes. The process is straightforward. Dig small spaces in front of your tires, place the tracks against the wheels, and maintain steady acceleration. The tracks do the work, literally pulling your vehicle out of trouble without damaging tires or requiring expensive rescue services. Measuring 106 by 31 centimeters and weighing just over 5 kilograms per pair, they're manageable for any driver to deploy alone. They work equally well for two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive vehicles, making them essential equipment for anyone who ventures beyond paved roads. At $90, these tracks represent insurance against situations that could cost hundreds in towing fees. Combined with a portable air compressor for tire pressure adjustments, you have a complete self-rescue system for any terrain challenge. Hudway Glass Heads-Up Display Innovation. Distracted driving kills people, and GPS navigation on phone screens contributes to this problem every day. Hudway Glass eliminates dangerous downward glances by projecting navigation information directly into your line of sight. This lightweight mount uses a mirrored lens that reflects your smartphone's navigation information to appear floating above your dashboard. No more risky glances at your phone during busy intersections or while navigating unfamiliar highways at night. Setup requires opening a compatible navigation app, placing your phone on the base, and watching speed information, routes, and turn-by-turn directions appear magically in your field of vision. The effect works best during night driving or rainy conditions when reflections are strongest. UDWA glass eliminates windshield projection issues like double images or poor visibility that plague expensive factory HUD systems. The result is clear, readable information that keeps your eyes focused on the road ahead instead of constantly switching between road and phone screen. At $34, this device delivers safety technology that luxury manufacturers charge thousands for as premium options. Your attention stays where it belongs, on the road ahead. An 18-fuel cordless polisher freedom. Car detailing enthusiasts understand the frustration of power cord limitations during polishing sessions. Milwaukee's M18 fuel polisher delivers professional results with complete freedom of movement, revolutionizing how car care gets done. This is the world's first full-size cordless rotary polisher that matches corded tool power output. The variable speed dial and full control trigger provide effortless precision, while the lighter design reduces fatigue during extended sessions. Constant power technology maintains consistent performance throughout the entire battery life, with speeds reaching 2,200 RPM. The M18 XC 5.0 battery provides enough power to polish an entire vehicle on a single charge, meaning you can detail anywhere without hunting for electrical outlets. Safety features include rubberized housing protecting your vehicle's paint, removable dust covers minimizing mess, and weight distribution designed for smooth professional finishes. The cordless design enables polishing in driveways, at car shows, or parking lots without limitation. Professional detailers and weekend enthusiasts appreciate the freedom this tool provides. No extension cords, no outlet searching, no movement restrictions. Just pure polishing performance wherever you need it. Tomato Black Cleaning Revolution. Traditional car cleaning tools work harder, not smarter. The Tornado Black EZ020 utilizes advanced internal rotation technology that makes stubborn automotive cleaning challenges disappear with minimal effort. The cone-shaped nozzle with oscillating tip creates spiral tornado action that breaks down and removes embedded dirt, gum residue, and contaminants that standard tools can't touch. This action is gentle enough for delicate surfaces, but powerful enough to tackle years of accumulated grime. The fine mist application system doesn't oversaturate surfaces, allowing controlled cleaning and rapid drying. This makes it perfect for interior cleaning where excess moisture damages electronics or creates mold problems in upholstery. The tool works equally well on carpets, plastics, leather, vinyl, and both soft and hard surfaces throughout your vehicle. Whether dealing with coffee stains, pet hair, mud, or general wear, the Tornado Black provides professional-level results. At $22, it represents exceptional value for professional detailers and car care enthusiasts who demand superior results. The included sponge and straightforward operation make it accessible to anyone wanting showroom-fresh results. Phantom ambient lighting atmosphere creation. Your car's interior reflects your personality, but factory lighting rarely does justice to your style. Phantom ambient lighting systems create personalized atmospheres that respond to your music and mood with stunning visual effects. This RGB LED strip technology offers 64 different colors and multiple lighting modes that transform your vehicle's interior into an immersive environment. The neon-style acrylic design adapts to virtually any interior configuration through flexible installation options. Popular installation locations include footwells, center console areas, door outlines, handles, and storage compartments. The system customizes to match your vehicle's existing interior design while adding premium luxury car ambience. Control options include Bluetooth-connected mobile apps, touch buttons, or smart voice commands for easy customization of colors, modes, brightness, and speed settings. The music synchronization feature creates dynamic light shows that pulse and change with your favorite songs. Beyond aesthetics, this lighting enhances safety by providing subtle illumination for controls and storage areas during night driving. Different lighting schemes suit different occasions: energetic colors for road trips, calming tones for evening commutes, or party modes for special events. At $32, Phantom ambient lighting delivers luxury car experiences without premium price tags. Every drive becomes a visual experience reflecting your personal style. The Honest Baby Monitor Peace of Mind. Parents understand the constant worry about children in backseats, especially during night driving when turning around or switching on lights might wake sleeping babies. The DeHonest Baby Rear Vision Monitor eliminates this anxiety with crystal clear monitoring capabilities. This system features a 4.3-inch IPS screen with 1080p HD imaging, perfect for monitoring babies, toddlers, or pets without distraction or discomfort. Enhanced night vision technology provides clear visibility in darkness without waking sleeping children with bright lights. The 150-degree viewing angle and 360-degree rotating adjustable camera covers the entire back seat without interfering with your rear-view mirror functionality. Installation is straightforward. Attach the camera to the headrest and mount the monitor on your dashboard. The system operates independently of your vehicle's electrical system, ensuring reliable monitoring regardless of car model or age. Clear audio transmission lets you hear sounds from the backseat, while the adjustable camera ensures optimal viewing angles for different car seat configurations. At $34, this monitor provides peace of mind that's invaluable for parents who want to keep their children safe without compromising driving safety. The ability to monitor your backseat passengers without turning around or adjusting mirrors makes every family trip safer and less stressful. These 9 gadgets prove that innovation doesn't require massive budgets or complicated installations. Each addresses real problems that millions of drivers face daily, transforming potential frustrations into minor conveniences through smart engineering and practical design. The beauty lies in their accessibility. None require professional installation or mechanical expertise, yet each delivers results that feel like premium factory upgrades. Whether you're a weekend adventurer, daily commuter, or car enthusiast, these tools can transform your driving experience in ways you never thought possible. The next time someone complains about a car-related inconvenience, you'll know exactly which gadget solves their problem. If this video helped you discover solutions you didn't know existed, hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive innovations that make driving better, safer, and more enjoyable.